For Boys Love Drama fans, the upcoming year will be full of treats. Thanks to a slew of new boy love dramas in 2021, new favorites, and a whole lot of binge watching. Whether it would be another season, a remake, or an entirely new drama, here are 10 boys love Thai dramas that will keep you entertained as you go through a brand new year. Please note that we have also included series which were aired in the latter part of 2020 but will still continue airing through 2021. Number 1. Than Type 7 Years of Love. Type and Than have been together for 7 years and both are enjoying their harmonious life. They still do bicker and meet up with university friends. Now, both working adults, Type and Than face difficult issues as they learn that life isn't always just flowers and candies. Can they overcome their challenges or will they be defeated by them? Number 2. Between Us. A parallel story to Until We Meet Again, Between Us tells us the story of how Win and Team get to know each other through the swim club and eventually develop a relationship. They grow their relationship as Win helps Team deal with his childhood trauma and Team helps Win feel wanted. Number 3. Two Moons 3. This sequel continues from where Two Moons 2 left off. The sequel will show the progression of all three returning couples. Fa has to persevere in times of helplessness as Weo's incriminating pictures and videos have been released by Park and Pring. The story will show the progression of their relationship after that scenario. Ming and Kit will have to learn to develop and mature their relationship, while Fourth and Beam will also settle down and progress in theirs. Number 4. A Tale of Thousand Stars. A volunteer teacher dies in a tragic accident in which her heart is transplanted to Tian. Through a series of diary entries, Tian learns about her life, her secrets and interests, including her promise to military officer Fufa about counting 1,000 stars with him. Tian then decides to follow in her footsteps and complete her dream. With Tian and a new volunteer teacher, he attempts to befriend Fufa. Yet, Fufa gives off a cold exterior. Slowly, the two grow close, but Tian's heart beats fast around the military officer as he starts to fall for him, much like its previous owner did. But with the area being war-ridden and dangerous, can they keep their 1,000-star promise? Number 5. Lovely Writer. Jean, a writer by profession, is one day given a request by his publisher to try his hand at a new type of genre, which is boys love. Accepting this new challenge, Jean writes and publishes a novel that is well received and becomes incredibly successful. So successful that it even gets made into a boys love drama. This is the story of how Jean, a popular writer, gets deceived by the 20-year-old guy Noopsib, who comes to audition for the lead role pretending to be polite and good-natured, when he is a wolf in reality through and through. Number 6. Manner of Death. A forensic expert, Dr. Banjit, examines the remains of a woman whom it was assumed had committed suicide. However, further examination reveals disturbing signs of a possible murder. A stranger visits the doctor and warns of repercussions if the doctor decides to pursue the case any further. The good doctor ignores his warning, even though the stranger had been explicit with his message. His prosecutor friend disappears when told of the incident. When the doctor decides to investigate, a prime suspect, a young man named Tan, adamantly rejects the doctor's findings and offers to volunteer to help. Number 7. Bad Buddy. A gross boy versus a perfectionist boy. From enemy to fake enemy to friends to people that cannot be just friends. Number 8. I Told Sunset About You, Part 2. Continuation of Tae and OU's story. What will happen during the second part? What will their feelings be for each other? Number 9. Nitty Man. Inane Samman is the university moon in the engineering faculty, known across the whole campus as the hottest moon. There was a saying amidst the campus that nothing and no one was hotter than Mr. Jin. One day, when his girlfriend broke up with him, he fell apart in despair. He later discovered that the girl who broke his heart was the cousin of the law student Bomb. Jin misunderstands that Bomb and his cousin were flirting when actually he likes Jin. Bomb has liked him since he was a freshman 1 year ago after Jin exchanged Bomb's lunchbox with his own food and rice. As feelings grow between them, can Jin understand Bomb's true intentions and come to see Bomb as more than just a junior? Number 10. Tonhon Chonlet. Chonlet, a shiny boy with a lovely hat, secretly has a crush on a guy next door, Tonhon. Since he was a kid because Piton always takes care of him as if they were real brothers. But Chonlet can only watch Piton and his girlfriend from afar. Until fortune favors him and Piton updates his status as single. Then Chonlet decides to change his look to win Piton's heart. This closeness starts to change into a deep bond. The Sunder Piton starts to feel confused about his feelings. His mouth keeps saying that he doesn't think of Chonlet that way, but when Chonlet goes with someone else, he feels insecure. He can't help but being possessive and worrying about Chonlet. And in the midst of that, his ex-girlfriend returns to complicate things. While Kong's fans have set their sights on him, how will the love of Chonlet and Piton end up? So, which boys love drama are you most looking forward to? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, be sure to like, share and subscribe. Ta-da!